Hello guys, in this video we are comparing Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge versus iPhone 16 Pro. So let's start the video and see the details about the smartphone. Software, operating system, user interface, body, weight, height, width, thickness, build quality, back material, RAM, waterproof, display brightens, display resolution, display type, display size, display protection, platform, RAM, ROM, CPU, GPU, chipset, network, battery capacity, charging speed, camera, selfie camera, video, Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus main camera, Poco X7 Pro main camera, video, sound, loudspeaker, .5mm jack, sensor, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, NFC, USB, fingerprint, price, price. Final result. Thank you so much for watching this video.